Hey everybody, this is Chris Willett from Notes from the Vagabond. Today I'm just making a short little video of this platform bed I made. I like platform beds. It's just plywood and then you put your mattress right on it. I don't like using box springs. I like a nice firm surface. So you can see right here where the bottom legs, plywood will go on top, screw it together. The bed frame I routed out for 1 1/8". Here's the 1 1/8" plywood. That'll slide together. Real simple, not hard to make. Takes a little bit of time. I'll put it together and you can see what it looks like. Well, this is what it looks like all assembled. It's a real strong bed. You can jump on it, going anywhere. What I liked is I wanted this open feel look so I can see the floor in there. I've made other beds where I have the stuff come down, I can store stuff under there. This bed I just want this room real clean and simple. So I decided on this style. Like how it turned out. Pretty simple to build, not all that hard. Does take some time. Anyway, if you like this movie, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and share the videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.